Hey everybody, welcome to Doc's Autos. If you are returning, thank you, and don't forget to hit that like button below. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe. It lets YouTube know there's some great content over here and helps us continue to bring more great videos to you. Today we are working on Darren's 1972 Dodge Challenger. It is not running yet, but hopefully we are going to fix that. I've gone through and replaced plugs, wires, cap, rotor, carb, battery. Yeah, so we should be almost ready to get it going. It's just a matter, I think, getting it in time properly. Now, I've got a little concern the top dead center on the engine is not necessarily where it should be on the distributor. So we're gonna take a little deeper look at that, and maybe that's our issue. We can adjust that and fire it right up, but me, not being a big engine guy, I'll say that right up front. I am not an engine guy, not a rebuilder. Worked on the Chevy, I got that going. I've got new cap, rotor, distributor, plugs, coil, and that, no problem. This is a little more of a challenge. So let Darren come down, a little more familiar with the engine than I am, and hopefully we can get this thing knocked out today. So wait for him to show up, and then we'll just get right to it. Be right back.
2 hours later.
Alrighty, well Darren's here. We have messed around with this thing quite a bit, messed with the timing, fuel, some of the wiring, and it should hopefully start up for us. So let's give it a crank.
Let's go.
Come on. Here we go. Yeah. Hell yeah. All right, we're gonna see if this thing actually rolls. Now your wheels are cocked a little to the left.
They are?
Yep. So we're gonna go, at least if he goes somewhere, it goes right out the door and into the pasture. So nothing's in the way. See if it'll start again for us. There we go. Oh. One more time. Hey! Doesn't go. It moves. Hey! Woohoo! Oh, a little smoky. It runs.
It runs. She's alive.
Hell yeah. Alrighty gang, that was super excited. This thing actually finally started. We didn't do a whole lot differently. Just had two of us here, fiddle with wires, double check the timing, double check the firing order. Everything was spot on. And I think it was just the car saying, I want Darren to be here to finally fire up after 20 some years. So that is where we're gonna leave this today. Just a short video here, We got it running. That's kind of a green light to go ahead and start buying a bunch of more parts. So we're gonna be placing a big order to Classic Industries in year 1 for our roof skin, our trunk filler panel here between the window and the trunk. We've already got a bunch of other parts we're waiting on. We are gonna be doing the disc brake conversion on this thing as well, all around. So a whole new front end here, steering rack needs to get rebuilt. Of course, the engine gets pulled out, we spray everything is getting sublime green. This is gonna be super exciting. I'm pretty jazzed this thing finally runs. I mean, we knew it would, just a matter of getting it going, getting things lined up in the right order, and mainly having Darren, a second set of hands here to help get this thing going. So, you know, he wants to put air conditioning in this thing, so we think air conditioning sits up here somewhere. And looking at pictures, this is the wrong radiator. This hose should actually be over here. So we're gonna get the proper radiator in here, also one that does not leak. This does leak down there, so that's not gonna do anybody any good. So once we get the hose in the right spot, we can hopefully get the air conditioning stuff mocked up where that goes. Just a whole bunch of fun stuff is gonna start happening with this Challenger build. If you can't tell, yeah, I am excited. I haven't had any coffee. Haven't had any coffee in a few months actually. So we are really super happy this thing runs, if you can't tell, and looking forward to bringing you more great content on this. Alrighty, well, thanks again for following along, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button below. Share us out on social media. We've got some merchandise for the Challenger Challenge behind me over on Teespring. Don't forget to check that out. And we are on Facebook and Instagram. You'll find content there before we ever post it here on YouTube. Again, thank you very much, and until the next video, keep doing what makes you happy, and we'll see you very soon. Bye-bye. Okay, and by the way, if you work at Classic Industries or year 1, or you know somebody who works there and you're watching this video, let them know, because we could use some free parts, discounted parts, a partnership, t-shirts, koozies, anything to help with this project. Thanks.